passive income ba talaga sa forex trading? So malalaman po natin yan as we go in this webinar, no, as we start this. So ayan, so before anything, let me show you ano ba ang agenda natin. No? So very short lang ating agenda for tonight. So I'll just introduce to you everybody about FXTS, AFT, or ang Forex Trading Solutions and Abundance Forex Trading, no, about this joint venture partnership, and then our service offerings, some of our actual service outcomes, and then I'll be introducing to you our partner here, si Coach Nico from Lifestyle Traders Academy, and about the partnership that we have made and the reason why andito tayo sa webinar na ito or nag-conduct tayo ng ganitong webinar. No? So, of course, after that, we wanted to invite you to partner with us, join with us, and build this community to share this opportunity to everyone. Okay, so excited na ba ang lahat? Type nyo nga ang yes kapag excited na. Or tatak na talaga, no? Say yes naman dyan, no? Okay, yes. Right, Gigi. Okay, so let me introduce to you myself very quick. So I am the founder of Forex Trading Solutions. I am a serial entrepreneur, also an investor, strategist, and speaker. So basically, I am doing a lot of different things. Kumbaga, ang tawag dyan ay a lot of hats under one roof, no? So, ang dami kong ginagawa, but at the same time, I'm diversifying my investment portfolios. Kaya ako napunta dito sa forex trading, it's because of the opportunity na grab ko when I was just starting to becoming a forex investor, no? So, just a disclaimer, no? I'm in this kind of industry right now, not really as, how do you call this? An expert in forex trading, but rather I've been a part of this kind of industry being a businesswoman or being an entrepreneur because I saw this an opportunity for investing. So I started this venture as an investor. No? Simula lang ako to give you a background for only $1,000. So that's around 55,000 pesos. And I started it with the hopes na magkaroon ako ng oportunidad na kumita sa forex trading ng kahit hindi ko alam kung paano talaga gawin or paano ang technicalities nitong forex trading. So nagkaroon ako opportunity to be cross paths with some of the senior traders that we had partnered with few months ago. At kung kaya nagkaroon ng forex trading solutions right now, this venture, this organizations, because lumawak na siya. No? So mamaya explain ko pa sa inyo ng mas maigi kasi nagsimula lang sa pagsubok, no? Pag-try or pag-took a risk. No? That $1,000 gave me a lot of opportunity to where it was from the start to where it led me right now, no? To having this forex trading solution. So yung $1,000 ko, in short, I partnered with senior traders. No? Yung dalawang trader na yon, sila ang tumulong sa akin kasama ng aking kaibigan na kasama ko dito. Nung nagsimula kami, tig $1,000 lang kami noon nung nagsisimula. No? So $1,000 sa kanya, $1,000 sa akin, we joined force together. In short, we actually funded like around 100,010 pesos account to open a trading account. No? So nag-join force kami doon, but hindi kami ang nag-trade noon. No? What happened was this senior traders who have helped us did the trading for us. No? Kasi nga ako ay hindi isang trader as I started this, or hindi ako professional trader when I started this kind of venture. Isa akong serial entrepreneur and investor. So I've had around less than a dozen of business portfolio under my umbrella of ventures in different industries. No? So nung sinubukan ko to, again, sabi ko nga, dahil small amount muna to start, nag-try kami, sinubukan namin. So yung $1,000 namin each, lo and behold, no, kumita kami ng almost 30 to 50% nun. So in short, yung $2,000 namin, kumita kami ng around 1,800. So total na yun, capital and then the profit. No? So in short, we were able to actually earn around 80% no, of our capital. And that was like a month no, nung pinatrade namin yan, yung amount na yun. And then we actually added more amounts, funding, kasi nakita namin na may posible, no? May potential. Kahit hindi pala ako marunong mag-trade or hindi ito yung expertise of or line of expertise ko, hindi ito yung negosyo inagwisnan ko at nasimulan ko at wala akong idea how to really do trading by profession, sinubukan pa rin namin. So with that, we added more. So ginawa namin 250,000 pesos na in Philippine money, no? Yung aming funds. On top of the profit, hanggang sa nag-add ulit kami, so nag-top up kami, ginawa na namin 500,000 pesos, no? And then, apparently, nagkaroon kami magandang offer with our senior traders. No? Itong offer na to, kino-offer siya with the other brokers, no? Trading brokers, no? Kung saan you can actually have double up money or double up capital once you funded an account. So for example, your capital is $2,000. So pwedeng magkaroon ka ng credit bonus to make it $4,000 na. So doon nagsimula. So syempre dahil dire-diretso tayo, ang ginawa namin, nag-add kami ng nag-add. So, ang goal namin that time ay, nung tinanong kami, ano ang target mo, MJ? Anong target nyo na income, no? With this partnership. We will trade for you, and then you continue to fund it, your account. So, ano yung target mo? On a monthly basis, magkano passive income ang gusto mong gawin or ang gusto mong ma-achieve, no? Kasi by the time, ang usapan namin was spill you out, no? Kung magkano yung naging initial income arrangement namin was at least a minimum of 10%. So, ibig sabihin, monthly, we can have a capital gain of 10%, no, na sila ang nag-trade. No? So, with a capital protection or capital preservation na tinatawag. No? So, may ganun silang security sa akin. So, ginawa namin, our goals, sabi ko nga, was we wanted to earn, if it's possible, in this kind of business, to earn at least 500,000 monthly. Possible ba yun? No, passive income, hindi kami ang mag-trade, hindi kami ang mag-aasikaso ng account namin, wala kaming idea, we don't have the time, we have other businesses in our plate, no? Basically, we don't have the access to do that by our own. So it's possible when they said yes to us, they committed to us. So pero para mangyari yun, kung let's say a minimum of 10%, that means to say kung 500,000 yan sa 10%, dapat kailangan may capital trade kang 5 million pesos. Tama? Kasi 10% ng 5 million mo, that's 500,000. Right? So mabigat sa amin, hindi namin kaya nun because our capital or personally my funds are spread to different investments or different ventures that I have. No? So dahil nagkaroon ng opportunity na mag times 2 yung capital because of the broker's offer with our senior trader na magkakaroon ng credit bonus, no? So doon pumasok yung we only need to have 2.5 million in pesos. With that 2.5 million in pesos, in short, kung may credit bonus yon ng 100%, magiging 5 million na yon. Pero ang catch, yung 100% na yon, it's non-withdrawable. No? Pero tradable siya. So in short, yung 5 million, as long as kumita, nag-profit, yung profit ng trade na yon, withdrawable. However, yung credit bonus na yon, hindi siya withdrawable. No? So hope you get me, no? So sana clear yon. Clear ba? I-type nyo nga ng yes kung clear, nasusundan po ako, or mabilis. Okay. Clear? Can you type yes if it's clear? Nasusundan po ba? Yes po. Okay, yes po. Alright. Now, so as we continue with our partnership, no? So ginawa namin ng paraan para ma-consolidate namin yung 2.5 million. We will be able to raise that, no, by our own. Me and my friend, who's my partner, magsimula sa $1,000, naging 250,000 pesos, naging 500,000 pesos, and then we already completed the 2.5 million. So that already helped us to gain the 5 million target, which is tinulungan din kami ng aming senior trader. No? In short, nag-join force din siya to share his funds with us, no? to make that 5 million happen. No? So nangyari, because of that, nagkaroon kami internal arrangement with that particular account is a shared joint account between me and my friend and our trader, no? Our two of the traders. So kayo na. So, bigyan ko kayo ng idea as to ano nangyari sa account na yun. So, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. At I'm so excited dahil dito ay a testimony and personal experience that it happened to me. And I know for sure, with this webinar, hopefully, this will also happen with you. No? Lalo na I'm excited na ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung meron pa with this webinar. Because of the partnership that we have made with the Lifestyle Traders Academy. No? So, okay. Medyo napahabang aking intro. No? Kinuwento ko na kagad para mamaya dire-diretso tayo. So yun, so itong aming community or aming venture, which is a joint venture partnership with Forex Trading Solutions or FXES and Abundance FX Trading or AFE, kami ang organization who handles to become the marketing and acquisition arm of brokers. No? So we have partnered to some brokers to actually offer IB, PAM, and MAM. Ito yung mga usual offerings of the brokers. But we have to focus initially with our offering, which is mamaya pakita ko sa inyo, yun yung tinatawag namin kung saan kami nagsimula. No? Ito yung account management. Then later on, pakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano pa yung pwede namin maitulong sa community na katulad ninyo, naghahangad at naghahanap ng passive income in this industry na forex trading. No? So, ano nga ba kami? No? What are our offerings? What do we do now? No? As an organization, as Forex Trading Solutions. So ito yung initial offers namin. We do have top-up capital and then account management. So what's the difference of this both? No? Para perfect ito kapag katulad sa inyo na katulad ako, nagsimula ako sa ganitong industry na hindi alam kung paano mag-trade or hindi expert in forex trading or in financial markets. Although I had experiences on learning about crypto, about stocks, no, but never an in-depth learning kasi nga masyadong marami akong other businesses that I'm also working with, no, and at the same same time, I'm just purely wanting to invest. No? I just wanted to let my money grow by its own and let the experts do the magic. No? So I'll show you what is this top-up capital, no? Or what is this account management. No? So basically, with top-up capital, katulad nung experience ko personally, no, we will be the one to handle the trading for you. No? We consolidate all the funds that we have with different clients and then we trade it for them. No? Pero this account is under us. And in return, you will get a fixed income, no profit. No? So how much is the fixed income profit? That I will show you in a while. No? On the other hand, ano naman itong account management? So hindi sila halos magkaiba. No? Ang onting difference lang ng account management with top-up capital natin. Ang account management is may minimum amount na makakapag-trade kami for you ng sarili mong account. In short, if you really want to have your own personal trading account na nakapangalan sa iyo, naka-register sa iyo, the withdrawals will be coming from you, no? Then this account management is for you. Yun nga lang, medyo mataas ang minimum capital natin dito. Unlike with top-up capital, because these are consolidated funds, you can start as low as 60,000 pesos or $1,000. Katulad ng kung paano namin ginawa yung sa amin personal. So we have group of traders with us, no? Who are experts, who are professionals, who are your partner to make these things happen for you, no? Na magkaroon ka ng opportunity to earn passive income without even doing it by your own. So, yeah. So, pakita ko, ito na po yung account namin, no? When we started our own personal account. Diba kanina, nabigyan ko kayo ng idea from $1,000 to almost $24,000. I mean, sorry, almost to 5 million in peso or 24,000, how much of it? $85,000 the time, no? So, few months back, yung $85,000 namin equivalent to 5 million pesos, that actually reached to 108, ito na, $108,000, no? So, we had made a profit of around $24,921. This is equivalent to around 1.5 M, no? Ang naging profit namin for I think less than 2 months when we did this, no? So, yung pera namin, nagsimula kami sa $1,000, tapos we work out namin yung 2.5 million, na yung 2.5 million na naging 5M because of the credit bonus na times 2. Yung 5 million na yun, equivalent into $85,000, which is 5 million pesos, ito na siya. Naging 108,983, no? So, and lo and behold, we continue to trade this. Again, our traders, our expert traders, our senior traders did this for us. No? So, one time, we really had an opportunity na kumita ng malaki. I should say, in just one trade at that time, we have actually profited $43,510. No? And this is like around 3 million plus, no? At that time, yung $108,000 namin, ito na siya. Umalo na ng $153,240, no? So, in short, ano to, paldo kung paldo kami, no? But anyway, I'll also give you an idea na kaya possible to because of the lot size, no? Kapag hindi kayo technical or you're not really into trading, at bagong-bago kayo sa mga bago dito, the higher your capital, the better that you can trade with better options, no? Kasi kumbaga, mas makakadiskarte yung trader or as kayo as a trader to revolve the funding, to trade it by your own means or terms, no? So, pagka medyo maliit ang capital natin, you can still do trading. Ika nga, nakikita ang kagalingan ng isang trader regardless of whatever is the capital or the amount. It just so happened we had this opportunity na maipag-grow pa siya. So, hindi kami nag-withdraw at this time. But until we got this kind of amount, nag-withdraw na kami. No? So, in short, we were able to reap the profits that we had. Ang kagandahan dito, after this, hindi kami natapos. No? Nagtuloy-tuloy na kami. So, what happened was, we already started to open multiple accounts. No? So, with that, we were able to open another few more accounts. So, as you can see here, another paldo ulit. No? So, nag-start kami ulit to open $20,000. So, ito, deposit. Yung $20,000 namin, we have profited around $16,678,000. So, that's around 1 million in profit in just 2 weeks of trade. No? So, yan, nakikita naman natin yan dito. Ito yung trading history natin, no? And then on the other hand, nag-open ulit kami another account which is $10,000 naman. So ito siya. And we have profited around 6,672, no? And this is in just 1 day trade. Actually, hindi pa isang araw yan. Wala pang 24 hours yan. Kumita nyo, pag deposit namin, nag-sell agad kami. No? So, kumita agad ng 6,310 and then 182 and then 180. So, halos isang araw, $600,000 agad yan. So, continuously, we've opened multiple trading accounts na. No? The reason why is because may mga accounts kami, may kanya-kanyang discarding mga traders. Same thing as investor like myself, we have made our own terms and arrangements na magkaroon kaming accounts na good for, how they call this, good for flip account, I should say, dito, itong account na to, we will trade it high risk, no? So, kumbaga, mabilisan, no? High risk namin to, regardless whatever will be the outcome or output. We already consider this as, an account that we can just blow up, no? Kumita, pumaldo, better. Kung hindi, we anticipate that, no? So may mga accounts naman kami like this one, we open as conservative account, no? Kumbaga, low to mid high risk lang, o low to mid risk trading lang tayo, which means may target lang kami na income on a day-to-day basis, like at least 1 to 2%, or in a month, that could give us to 30% and above, no? So may mga ganun kami. That's the reason why we've opened to multiple accounts, no? And because of this experience, guys, so ito yung tinatawag namin top up. You can top up with us as low as 60,000 pesos or $1,000. We will trade that account or that amount on our own accounts, and then may fix kayo yung makukuha, no, na income. So as to how much, mamaya pakita ko, no? But before that, so dito naman papasok on the other hand, yung tinatawag namin account management. No? So ano itong account management? So in this case, we are the ones who create the account for the client, tapos register din sa kliyente, no? Kumbaga, pangalan nila, registration sa kanila, withdrawal sa kanila, everything sa kanila, no? So hindi siya sa amin. So in short, si client ang magbibigay sa amin ng profit or ng payout, no? So this is one of our VIP clients account, no? Pero ito corporate account yan, no? So ano siya, most of our account management right now is either, kung hindi siya private individual na negosyante, it's either company siya, no? Kasi ang minimum namin dyan for a private trading account is at least $30,000 to $50,000, no? So medyo malaki comparing sa 60,000 pesos or $1,000 na top up, no? That's the reason why top up, because you just top up, no, with the minimum amount that you can. Tapos ang account management naman may minimum $30,000 to $50,000. No? So yan, so as you can see here as an example, no, this is one of our VIP clients account. Pagka ganito, may profit sharing ang pinag-usapan namin, no? So hindi na siya fixed. Whatever is the profit of that account, no, meron kaming porsyento as to how much, yun yung dinidiscuss with the client depending on the capital started. So unlike with top up, may fixed ka na makuha. And then unlike with account management, profit share siya. Kung magkano yung profit on that particular trade, no, on that month, the whole month, yun yung meron kaming porsyento. So yun. So here's the question next. So, MJ, ano ba yung packages, no? When it comes to this kind of offerings ninyo, yung top up, account management, katulad ng bagi ko, yung account management natin, that starts in $30,000 or $50,000, no, minimum. So, basically, $30,000, that's around roughly 1.7 million or 1.5 million ang kailangan. So, our traders would accept an account management, kumbaga VIP account, no? Pero kung sa mga minimum amount, top up, katulad ng bagi ko, ito siya, $60,000, no? Or I should say $1,000. Sorry, 60,000 pesos, Philippine money, or $1,000. So in this bracket, meron kaming options, no? 60,000 pesos to 1 million, that gives you a profit of 3% monthly. So ibig sabihin, yung 60,000 pesos mo, let's say mag-top up ka, so in order for you to get a passive profit, passive income, no, by putting in 60,000, you get to earn 1,800. Kung sa 3% kasi ng 60,000, that's 1,800 monthly, no? So itong bracket na to, 60,000 to 1 million, that's 3%. So 1 million yan, ibig sabihin 3% of 1 million, that gives you 30,000, no, monthly. That's the fix, no? Ang kaganda dito ang kaganda dito, difference ng dalawa, pag top up, may capital preservation tayo, no? So ibig sabihin, regardless whatever is the market situation, no, whatever would be the total losses, no, the capital will be preserved. In short, it will be protected, no? So again, pag top up kasi, pag consolidated funds, we only maintain low to mid risk trading. So kapag above 1 million to 3 million, ito naman ang income natin, no? 5% profit monthly. So that means, if you, kung sabihin na natin 3 million yan, so 5%, how much is that? That's I think around 150,000 monthly, no? So above 3 million to 5 million, 7% monthly. Above 5M to 10M, that's 10% monthly. So ito yung pinakapataas natin, 10% monthly, just like on how we started with our own. No? And then above 10M, for discussion na siya. No? Kasi this will fall also under the account management na. No? Actually, yung account management, this will already fall under 3M pataas. So may promo lang po tayo. No? With those who attended this webinar would get this promo. No? Should you be able to test or try this kind of business opportunity, no? Kung sakasakaling you want to test out to become our top up partner, no? That you can avail 300,000. No, this supposedly 300,000 na to, this would fall into 3% monthly. But in this case, dahil may promo, so 4% na siya monthly. So that gives you 48% yearly profit, no, annual, no. Doon naman sa promo natin for this bracket, no, so 1 million to 3 million instead of 5%, kapag may nag-avail ng 500,000 top-up capital, no, 500,000, instead of getting this supposedly dito sa bracket na to, 3%, you get it 5% na, no, which is, that gives you 60% yearly. So, okay, so, before I proceed, no, meron tayong terms pagdating sa ganito, top up, no, which is meron tayong tinatawag na lock-in period, no. So may special terms and meron tayong standard terms. Special terms mean to say whatever package you would like to avail, no. So let's say nag-top up ka 60,000 to 1 million, no, or kung sa promo, let's say nag 300,000 ka, nakuha mo yung promo, you get 4%. 3 years lock-in tayo to any of this top up capital, renewable. Pero ang payout mo quarterly. So you need to say you get to earn this amount, 4% monthly kung naka-promo ka. In 3 months, that's 12%. Makuha mo yung profit mo quarterly. Every quarter mo siya makuha, which is equivalent to 12%. Yung 4% mo times 3 months. Yung standard terms naman natin, that gives you 5 long years, no? Lock-in. Why is it 5 years? Kasi ito, medyo shorter period of profit payout, no? So sa unang payout natin for the first quarter, pero yung succeeding payouts natin, every 2 months cycle na siya. In short, kung sakaling 60,000 yan, nakuha mo siya hindi promo, let's say 3%, makukuha mong profit every 2 months. No? 3% times 2 months, that's 6% profit of your 60,000. So yun yung difference. No? You have 3 years, special term, every quarter yung payout, and then we have standard terms, 5 years, a little bit longer than the special term, pero yung payout mo is shorter, which is 2 months payout cycle. So there, basically that's the option natin, the packages. No? So ito, katulad ng sabi ko, nagsimula kami ng ganito. Ako personally and as an investor who also have other businesses under my plate, hindi ko na kaya para simulan or usisain pa paano ang paano maging professional forex trader when we started, no? But eventually, because of the opportunity na nakuha ko dito, nagkaroon na rin ako ng mga partners, no? I should say na nagbigay ng mas magandang kaalaman at guidance sa akin bilang investor. It's also best to know, no? To know more better in this industry, no? At dahil dyan, nagkaroon ako ng mas magandang positioning, no? Having this forex trading solutions and abundance forex trading joint ventures, and doon ako nagkaroon ng I should say chance na mas ma-explore pa itong magandang opportunity or itong magandang industry na to ng forex trading. So how and paano? So that's where more than knowing or starting this as an investor, I myself has become a learner na rin. So I must say I know a bit already, but not enough for me to call as a professional trader, but I'm continuously learning. So nagsimula na ako mag-aral. And thank you for the opportunity to learn more because of the partners that I have right now. So syempre, excited ako mapakilala yun sa inyo, no? Sa aming community here, sa Forex Trading Solutions and then sa Abundance Forex Trading. No? So again, sa mga katulad ko na nagsimula na walang alam paano Forex Trading, gusto lang magkaroon ng passive income opportunity, this is what we did. We just top up and then we let our professional traders do the trading for us. Or if you are a company or private individual with even higher capital that you wanted to grow, which is $30,000 to $50,000 or more, then we can do the account management for you. So kami na yung gagawa ng account mo, mag-trade for you, withdrawals are with you then. No? So this is the chance for you to earn passive income in this avenue, no? Top up and account management. So here you go. I'm so excited na. Excited na ba kayo? Ito yung the main reason why we had this webinar, no? None other than introducing to you guys, no, ang ating how do you call this exciting partnership that we have, no, with LPA or Lifestyle Traders Academy. So as you can see here in the photo, I have with me the founder himself of Lifestyle Traders Academy with same goal kami. Katulad na sabi ko, nagsimula ako nang wala akong idea, wala akong alam, no? Mas si Coach Nico magtuturo sa inyo, magbibigay sa inyo ng more insights about this partnership, no? Na sobrang excited na ako. I wanted to give the floor to him, no? Sobrang excited ko, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na we connected in one same goal, no? To empower those like me, no? Na nagsimulang hindi alam ng forex trading, but even those who are already in this industry but wanting to refresh more ideas to learn better in this trading journey, no? Or even those na from scratch na who wanted to become, from basic to profitable, to becoming a profitable trader, this is you, no? This is for you, no? So I'm so excited. So let me introduce to you, no? Which is in this case, with this partnership with LPA. Oh, sorry naman, at meron tayong konting advertisement. Hold on na. So with this partnership, LPA will give you, no, the right tools, the knowledge and technology that needed, no, in order for you to become a profitable trader, no. So how? Katulad ako, I'm a learner right now, so no, there's no way for me not to share this opportunity for you. So without further ado, let me introduce to you Coach Nico. Coach, are you there?
Yes. Hello, Ma'am MJ. Kamusta? Disclaimer tayo, Nico Mendoza or the Lifestyle Trader doesn't offer guaranteed results. I am not accepting any investment from you as you are creating your own trading account and deposit only directly to your trading account. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. So, yun lang po. Gusto ko lang linawin niya. Kasi may mga naging message sa akin, mga nabiktima ng mga scam gamit yung pangalan ko. Wala tayong magagawa doon kasi hindi naman ako yung ano nila. No? Basta tatandaan ninyo, wala akong ino-offer na investment na nag-offer nagbibigay ng guaranteed returns, fixed income. No? Wala po akong ganong offer. Now, sino ba? Sino ba yung pogi na Nico Mendoza dito? Sino ba si Nico Mendoza? Okay. Ang totoo po niyan, ako po ay isang registered nurse. Yan. After a few months po ng pagpapractice ng aking profession bilang nurse, ay nag-retire na po ako sa pag-nurse after a few months. Kasi po ako po ay napasok sa mundo ng pag-negosyo. Nag-negosyo ako ng mga beauty products, pumasok ako sa mga sa networking, nagbebenta ako ng mga sabon, lotion, gluta, food supplements, deodorant, lipstick, makeup, even napkin. Yan. So magaling po ako mag-demo ng napkin. Okay. Okay, and then after po pumasok sa networking, syempre kumita po ng maganda diyan, nakapag-diversify po ako, nakapagpatayo po ng mga ilang negosyo. And after nung nag-pandemic po, doon po ako na-open sa another opportunity na siyang magpapabago ng tingin ko sa buhay. Yan. Naging isa po akong full-time trader. Dito ko po na-realize, di ba? So doon nabuo yung Lifestyle Trader Academy. Bakit Lifestyle Trader Academy? Kasi we do trading to achieve our dream lifestyle. And also, I am the creator of LTA Gold Algo. At yun nga yung nagustuhan ni Miss MJ, kaya siya nakipag-connect sa akin. So, ito nagkaroon kami ng parang meet and greet event sa isang hotel sa BGC, sa The Fort. At nakakatuwa na makita ko yung mga users ng LTA Gold Algo or yung trading bot ko na, ayan, tuturo ako yung masya na rin. Joke lang. Okay. Actually, ito, Meet Alvin. Nag-message siya sa akin, look at the date. June 16, 2025. Nitong June lang. Sabi niya sa akin, "Hi, Mr. Mendoza, I am very newbie sa crypto trading and I want to learn Forex, gold trading. I am 52 years old and I want to be a full-time trader. Paano maging mentor niyo or paano yung coaching, etc." That was June 16, 2025. Then after, I don't know, di ko na retrieve yung date, pero after few weeks siguro or after a month, nag-message siya sa akin sa personal Facebook ko. Sabi niya, "Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa algo nyo po, personally, nag-profit Algo 7 this week, $522. So, syempre, hindi man ako naniniwala. Sabi ko, kailangan may katibayan. Kasi hindi tatanggapin niya sa Senado kung puro kwento. Di ba? So, sabi ko, show me some proof. So, sinend niya sa akin yung screenshot ng kanyang trading account. So, yeah, legit nga. Meron nga siyang naging profit na $522. First week pala niya to. Unang linggo niya, kumita ng $522. No? So, nung time na yan, ang palitan was 57 pesos ang palitan. Ngayon kasi plus 58 na ngayon, di ba? So, for a 52-year-old, malaking bagay na rin to sa kanya. Di ba? So, ang trading journey ko naman, hindi rin naman nagkakaiba sa karamihan. Nagsimula po ako sa pag-aaral sa YouTube kasi gusto ko libre. Ayoko pong magbayad ng mga trading course simply because isa po ako dun sa mga believer na yung mga nagbebenta ng course, doon lang sila kumikita sa binibentang course, hindi sa trading. Ganun po ako ganun ako mag-isip before. Until nalos ako ng big time kasi maganda naman yung YouTube talaga. Diyan ko po natutunan ang buy at sell. Yun nga lang, pagdating ng panahon na pagka nag-trade ka na, at yun pala, hindi ko pala natanong kanina. Pwede bang para magkaroon din ako ng idea sa mga nakikinig sa akin ngayon dito, may lalabas ko dyan, isa ka bang trader? Anong level ka na? Zero knowledge ka ba? Beginner? Nag-aaral na ng konti? Or active ka ng trader ngayon? Okay? Ayan, hati ang pulso ng ating bayan. Okay? Sige, para lang alam ko kung paano ko i-explain, no? Para kung mas marami ang zero knowledge, mas bababawan po natin ang mga terms na gagamitin natin. Okay? So, marami actually ang mga active at beginner traders natin dito. Okay, so yun nga, nag-aaral ako sa YouTube University. Ang problema, ang good news, marami kang pwedeng aralin sa YouTube. Resources, nandiyan lahat. Different strategies, nandiyan lahat. The problem is, during the time na nag-trade ka na at nahihirapan ka, overwhelmed ka, drawdown ka, hindi mo alam kung paano malulusutan tong naipit na trades mo, wala akong mapagtanungan. Tatanungin ko yung mga pinapanood kong trader sa YouTube. Magko-comment ako. Kung mag-reply man, sobrang tagal. Most of the time, hindi nagre-reply. Simply because sa YouTube, tayo po ay subscriber. Di ba? Kapag sa mga paid courses, ang tawag sa atin students. So as a subscriber, wala silang obligasyon na sagutin tayo. Doon ko na-realize yung importance or doon ko na-realize bakit may bayad tong mga to. Yung mga course na binibenta, bakit may bayad? Simply because hindi lang naman yung turo ang binibenta doon. Pati yung oras na ituturo, binibili mo. Pag may tanong ka, may sasagot agad. Pag kailangan mo ng advice, may sasagot agad. May mentor ka, may coach ka. Yun yung na-realize ko. So nung natalo ako ng malaki sa manual trading ko, simply because free learning, well, there's nothing wrong about that, ha. It's all just happen na iba pa rin pag merong guidance. Pag merong kumakalabit sa'yo, pagka nag-overtrade ka na, nag-reverse trade ka na, merong babatok sa'yo, uy, ano bang ginagawa mo? Di ba? So, kumbaga may shortcut sa learning curve kapag merong gumagabay sa'yo. Yun yung na-realize ko. Okay? So, inaral ko lahat ng mga technical analysis, fundamental analysis, at iba't iba pang mga strategies. Nag-enroll ako sa mga paid courses kasi nga, na-experience ko yung malaking talo. Sabi ko, kung siguro sa simula pa lang, nag-aral na ako ng maayos, tapos meron pang taong gumagabay sa akin, most likely, nakasave ako ng malaki mula sa mga losses. Kasi may iwasan ko yung mga mali. Di ba? Do you agree with that, guys? Type yes or no if nag-agree kayo doon. Pag merong taong gumagabay sa'yo, pwede mong maiwasan yung mga kamalian na pwedeng magresulta ng malaking talo for you. Di ba? Okay. Now, hanggang sa dumating yung time na na-experience ko na yung magagandang profit at doon ko na-realize na posible pala talaga sa trading. Mag-work talaga yung trading if kahit anong negosyo naman eh. Kikita ka naman sa negosyo na yan basta ibigay mo yung 100% mo. Di ba? Kaso, may na-realize din ako along the way. Kumikita na ako, di ba? Sa trading ko. Kumikita ako. May na-realize ako. Paano kapag tumanda na ako? Kaya ko pa rin ba mag-manual trading araw-araw? Yun yung napatanong ako eh. Sabi ko, ngayon, syempre medyo bata-bata pa ako, yung risk appetite ko, yung risk tolerance ko, kaya ko pa maging aggressive. Malakas pa loob ko. Kasi kung matatalo man ako, malakas pa ako, alam ko pang kaya kong bawiin yung mapapatalo ko. Pero pag matanda na tayo, pag matanda na ako, sabi ko, baka number one, iba na yung thinking ko noon. Iba na yung critical thinking ko. Baka masyado na akong kabado noon kasi nakarami na akong kape by that time. Yung risk appetite ko, takot na akong matalo. Kasi kalaban ko na oras eh. Hindi ko na alam kung kailan ko mababawi kung matatalo man ako ng malaki. Di ba? So naisip ko, what if yung talent ko ngayon, yung skills ko ngayon sa trading, maduplicate ko na into an AI. Total, nasa era tayo ngayon na puro AI na, di ba? Nagsisimula ng AI. Sabi ko, what if yung galing ko ngayon, matranslate ko na into a technology na siya nang bahalang mag-trade para sa akin, para pag matanda na ako, hindi ko na ginagawa yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Kasi imagine mo, sa mga sumagot ng actively trading, di ba? At minsan, nagumigising kayo ng daling araw, nagpupuyat kayo kasi merong high impact news or naipit yung trades niyo, nai-stress kayo pagkas medyo sablay yung trading niyo. Do you think, pag tungtong mo ng 60 years old, okay ka pa sa ganyan? Gusto mo pa rin ba ma-experience yan? Di ba? Nagigets niyo ako, guys? Nagigets niyo ako? Type 1 if nagigets niyo ako dito. If you're on the same page. Di ba? I'm just being, ina-advance ko lang yung pwedeng mangyari. Titignan ko lang kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari pagtanda ko. Di ba? So, doon ko na isip ngayon yung nabuin yung LTA Good Algo. Actually, wala namang pangalan ng LTA Good Algo before eh. The idea is, i-translate ko lang yung sarili ko into an AI na siyang bahala mag-trade para sa akin na as if ako yung trade para sa account ko. Pero hindi ako yung trade physically. Guys, do you get me, guys? Can you type sa Q&A? Type 8 if gets nyo ako. If malinaw ang tunog ang dating ko sa inyo. Type 8. Guys, I'm not sure. Ayan, hindi ako sure kung narinig nyo ako. So, okay.
Yes, coach.
Okay, good. So, doon nga pumasok yung vision ko about LTA Good Algo. Walang pangalan ng LTA Good Algo before. There's no name. It so just happened na dumating yung time na yung mga students ko sa Lifestyle Trader Academy, they keep on asking me about trading bot. Sinasabi ko lang before, marami dyan sa market, marami dyan sa Google, marami sa marketplace. You can try. Pero bumabalik sila sa akin kasi nalolos sila, hindi nila alam kung paano pipili ng tamang algo or ng trading bot. So sinabi ko sa kanila, pwede mo i-try yung sa akin, yung personal ko. Ganyan. Hanggang sa nang dumadami na sila, nilagyan ko na ng pangalan, LTA Gold Algo. Yun lang naman yung story niya, no? So, the truth is, lalo na sa mga nagsisimula, mahirap naman talaga ang manual trading. Diba? Hindi na natin kailangan pang i-hype yung manual trading na papaldo ka or whatsoever. Mahirap naman talaga mag-manual trading. Pero, posible talagang kumita ng malaki. Pero sa simula, talagang pwede kang matalo ng malaki kahit na paulit-ulit kang nag-aaral. Minsan, hindi mo namamalayan, maya't maya ka na sumisilip sa phone mo. Binabantayan mo yung MT4 or MT5 application mo. Minsan, magigising ka ng madaling araw dahil may mga drawdown ka, may floating kang naiwan. Di ba? I hope, I'm sure, merong naka-experience nyo ng ganyan dito. At parang umikot ka lang sa cycle na try, fail, and reset. Ilang beses kang masusunugan, puro deposit na lang ang nagagawa mo. Hindi ka na umaabot doon sa profit, doon sa withdrawal na part. At madalas, nakakaingkit yung mga post ng mga Facebook friends natin. Di ba? So, kaya ako inopen sa public yung LTA Gold Algo. Okay? Ginawa siya specifically for gold only or yung XAU USD. So ano ba yung LTA Gold Algo? Ano ba yung trading bot? Automated trading siya. Siya na yung mag-trade para sa atin. Based sa rules na isiset ko, based sa strategy na ituturo ko. Ang LTA Gold Algo is my personal trading bot. That's why, palagi ko siyang binabantayan, every week ko siyang in-optimize, palagi siyang may maintenance, at palagi siyang updated. Kasi nga, personal ko nga siya. Okay? So, ginawa ko siya so that magkaroon ako ng peace of mind, confidence, and consistency pagdating ng panahon, pag matanda na ako. Diba? Kumbaga, basta yun. And also, of course, pinapairal ko dyan yung strict risk management at meron tayong equity protection or stop loss para hindi natin hayaang masunog kung sakasakali yung ating kapital kapag ka nag-wild yung market at mahirapang makapag-adjust or makapag-adapt ang trading bot. So, madali siyang gamitin, no? Gawa ka lang ng account, lagyan mo ng pondo, tapos wala kang gagawin. Install na namin si LTA Gold Algo sa account mo. Tapos kusa na siyang aandar, titignan mo lang before ka matulog kung magkano yung kinita. I'll give you an example, no? Meet EDM. Isa siya sa mga user ng LTA Gold Algo ko. Currently, OFW siya sa Qatar for 14 years. Look at this, guys. September 24, nag-message siya sa akin. September 24, last year. Okay? Tapos, April 3, this year, nag-message siya sa akin. Nabibilisan ako kapag naaalala ko yung decision ko na all-in sa webinar niyo noong November. Look, nag-message siya sa akin September. Nag-take action siya November. Okay? Nag-message siya sa akin April 3. Sabi niya, wisest investment decision talaga yung sa buhay ni Mrs. Layo na agad ng progress. Ano ba tinutukoy niya? So, nagsimula na siya maka-experience ng profit sa LTA Gold Algo. So, nagsisend siya ng mga profit niya sa aming community. So, yan, meron siyang mga withdrawal. Diba? So, nakakatawa ito. Starting date ko yan, Algo 6 Micro. Ang date, May 7 to July 18. May, June, July. 2 months. Ang deposit niya, ang deposit was 1,781. Ang profit was 1,322. Ang withdrawal niya, 1,300. Almost 100% na. No? So, malit lang yung naging capital niya, no? 1,781 US dollars lang. But in 2 months time, or almost 3 months, naka-ROI siya. Tapos, na-withdraw niya na rin yung profit or yung capital niya. So, purong, alam mo yun, profit na lang yung umiikot dito sa account na to. So, pwede na, no? Hindi na masama. Diba? So, ayan, May 7, nag-deposit siya, 1,781. Ganyan. Pero disclaimer, no? Past performance to. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, guys. Okay? I'm just showing you the real results from our users. Ito, si Dennis, kapatid, utol ni EDM. Ganun kaganda, ganun ka-confident si EDM. Kinuwento niya sa kamag-anak, sa kapatid niya, yung LTA Gold Algo. So, nag-message sa akin si Dennis, yung kapatid niya, utol nga siya ng EDM, at isa lang siya sa kumikita, gaya ng EDM. So, parang sa sila kumikita. No? So, ayan, mga ilang kwento ni EDM sa akin, na nakapagbigyan siya ng cash sa manugang, sa Inlo. Nagbibigay siya ng cash. So, and right now, nakakapag-travel na rin. Kumbaga, dati, talagang OFW siya, puro trabaho, walang day off, or meron man. Pero ngayon, pag meron siyang bakasyon, talagang, doon niya, nakita niya sa akin yung example na maganda pala yung pa-travel-travel. Tapos yung income tuloy-tuloy, kasi merong tumatakbo ng LTA Gold Algo. So, ayan siya. Okay? And actually, in-interview ko siya sa aking YouTube channel. Kung gusto niyo mapanood yung kanyang full interview, you can subscribe sa aking channel. Yes, nag-plug ng YouTube channel. No? Pero yan, nagsisimula pa lang yung ating YouTube channel. Okay? So, maglalambing lang ako sa inyo. Subscribe kayo para mabot ako sa... Kasi, ilan na lang ba? Siguro mga nasa 22,000, mga na lang, 82,000 na lang, nasa 100K subscribers na ako. Kaunti na lang. Okay, so yan. Today, hundreds of Filipinos here and abroad ay tutulungan ng LT Gotalgo na kumita ng passive income. Now, before I discuss yung kung paano at ano ang pwedeng maging resulta mo pag gumamit ka ng LT Gotalgo, gusto ko lang maging malinaw sa inyo lahat na ang forex trading is a high risk, high reward online business. And so, should not invest borrowed money or money that you cannot afford to lose. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. LTA Gotalgo doesn't offer guaranteed results. Invest at your own risk. Okay? So, malinaw naman sa atin to, no? Huwag kang gagamit or huwag kang mag-i-invest ng perang hindi mo pera, ng perang inutang mo lang, at kung hindi pa talaga afford, huwag pilitin, mag-ipon muna. And also, kung ano may papakita ko sa inyo mga amount mamaya, it was already in the past. Kung ano yung magiging resulta next week, next month, next year, wala nakakaalam kung ano. Kasi wala namang nakakaalam kung ano mangyayari sa market. At ang LTA Gotalgo, hindi po kami nag-o-offer ng guaranteed results, guaranteed income. Walang fix. Kung magkano ang magiging resulta, kung magkano ang ibibigay ng market, yun. Okay? So, pwedeng mas malaki, pwedeng mas maliit, pwedeng talo, or whatever. Now, ito yung performance ng LTA Gotalgo noong August. 1 month. From August 1 to 31. August 1 to 31. Unahin natin to, Algo 6. Yung Algo 6, from August 1 to 31, kumita po siya ng 171 US dollars. Okay? Yung Algo 7 naman, 1 month, 849. Yung Algo 8, 1 month, 714. And then, nung August, nilaunch ko yung pang-apat na LTA Gotalgo. May bago po tayo. Ang pangalan naman niya, di ba, ito 6, 7, 8. Yung susunod ay, ano sa tingin niyo yung susunod? Anong algo? Can you guess? Can you guess? Ang pangalan ay hindi Algo 9. Nilagtawag ko po yung Algo 9. Ang pangalan ay Algo X. Okay? So, nung ano po ito nangyari na nag-start nung August. No? Pero ilang buwan ko na siyang gamit personal ko. Pero August ko lang siya ginawang available sa community. Okay? So, nung August, kumita siya ng 1,159. Yan, medyo malaki, no? Basta tatandaan nyo guys, ito nasa baba nakasulat. Performance or gains is not guaranteed. The results will always depend on the market movement. Ang nag-trade nito ay si Algo. Hindi po ako, hindi ikaw. Okay? Now, let's talk about yung kapital. Kasi yan ang for sure na next na question ninyo. Kapital, yung hard stop, magkano pwedeng kitain, at para kanino bang bagay yung mga algo niyan. Kasi syempre, apat yung algo natin. So, let me guide you on which algo perfectly fits your risk appetite. Okay? So, Algo 6. Magkano kapital kay Algo 6? 2,000 US dollars po. Plus. Ibig sabihin, 2,000 ang minimum. Pwede ka rin lumagpas sa 2,000. Mas better kung mas malaki ang kapital. Okay? Pero, regardless kung sobrang laki ng kapital mo, hindi po magbabago yung risk condition natin or yung risk settings ni Algo 6. Hard stop. Ano ba yung hard stop? Stop loss. Kumbaga, kung matatalo man, for example, hindi naman perfect yung LTA Gotalgo and walang trading bot ang perfect. There's no such thing as 100% sure. Okay? Kaya nga hindi kami nag-offer ng guaranteed results because nothing is 100%. Walang perfect talaga. So, we always consider the risk of losing money. So, naglalagay kami ng hard stop, ito yung equity protection, para just in case na hindi, ang mangyari ay kabaliktaran ng gusto ng algo. At least, meron tayong protection. Matatalo tayo, pero may limit. Hanggang dito lang sa level na to, parang gano'n. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, nililin ako, pwede matalo, pero may limit. Hanggang doon lang. Tapos, stop muna si algo. Tapos, kinabukasan, start siya ulit, hanggang sa mabawi niya pa unti-unti, yung naging talo. So, hindi mo wipe out yung kapital. Kasi, merong opportunity si algo na makabawi the day after. Okay? Now, for Algo 6, ang hard stop niya is wala. Okay? So, bihira naman Nico, di ba? In-explain mo kung ano yung hard stop, tapos Algo 6, wala naman palang hard stop. Why? Simply because, guys, si Algo 6 po ay nakailang versions na siya. And lucky for you, itong pinipresent ko sa inyong Algo 6 is nasa pinaka-optimized version na niya. Kaya we decided na alisin yung hard stop because ilang malupit na drawdowns na or ilang malupit na, basta ilang malupit na one-way, ilang pips, 1,000 pips minimum ni gold, kayang i-survive nung current settings ni Algo 6. So, ito na yung pinaka-optimized na for a capital of 2,000, tapos no hard stop, kayang i-survive ni Algo 6. Okay? Magkano ang kayang kitain ni Algo 6? 10 to 15% per month. Okay? 10 to 15%. Ang description niya is conservative siya, chill. So, if you are the kind of trader na gusto mo conservative yung investment mo at tipong ayaw mo nang may binabantayan, gusto mo, sisilipin mo na lang at the end of the month kung magkano yung mawi-withdraw mo, then I recommend itong Algo 6. Okay? Guys, are you still with me, guys? Type 1 if you're still with me. Type 1. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga attendees. Guys, type 1 if you're still with me. Or else I will end this right now. Type 1. Okay. Next na natin, no? Algo 7 tayo. Si Algo 7, ang kapital mo dito is $5,000 US. Ang hard stop, meron. May option. Pwede ka magpalagay, pwede ring hindi. So, meron kang freedom. Meron kang option na magpalagay. Magkano ba ang hard stop? Ibig sabihin, kung matatalo man, si Algo 7, magkano yung limit ng drawdown? 2,000 po. So, ang 2,000, pag umabot ng negative 2,000 yung drawdown, automatic, close all trades, pahinga si Algo, the next day, start siya ulit, hanggang sa mabawi niya paunti-unti yung naging talo. Okay? And then, you also have the option na huwag maglagay ng hard stop. So, meron bang gumagamit nun? Meron po. Sila yung mga matagal ng user ng Algo 7. At nakita nila na kaya naman talaga ni Algo 7. So, magkakaiba po tayo ng preference. So, kung aggressive ka, malakas ang loob mo, you may consider not placing a hard stop. Pero kung gusto mo, meron kang safety net, gusto mo sure ka na kung magiging worse man ang market, at least hindi masusunog yung account mo, then maglagay ka ng hard stop. Magkano ba pwedeng kitain? 15 to 20%. Okay? So, tulad dito, di ba? $849 in 1 month. Capital mo 5,000. That is more than 10%. Di ba? So, almost 15%. So, yan. Ang risk description niya is para sa mga trader na aggressive. Mataas yung risk tolerance. Okay? Kasi, marami siya mag-trade. So, hindi siya advisable sa mga kabado. Yan. Pero kung katulad kita, na gusto mo yung adrenaline rush, ito, mag-enjoy mo yung Algo 7. And then Algo 8 naman, 714 kinita niya nung August, di ba? Magkano kapital? Dalawa po, $500 at saka 5,000. So meron siyang malaki, meron siyang maliit na kapital. 500 at saka. Hard stop, wala na rin. So na-reach na rin namin yung settings ni Algo 8 na no need for hard stop. Ito yung pinaka-optimized version niya. Okay? Magkano kayang kitain? 5 to 10. 5 to 10%. So same sila ni Algo 6, conservative and chill. So ano pagkakaiba nila ni Algo 6 at ni Algo 8? Mas mabagal po si Algo 8. Mas mabagal. Okay? Okay. Algo X. Ito yung bago natin. 2,500 ang ating capital dito. Ang hard stop, meron. Magkano? Sa 2,500 na capital, 1,000 po ang ating hard stop. Magkano pwedeng kitain? TGTBT. Any guess, guys? Pwede nyo bang hulaan? Anong ibig sabihin ng TGTBT? Ang pwede niyang kitain in 1 month is TGTBT. Any guess, guys? Any guess? Can you type below? Ako na po yung nagsasabi, kaya ako nilagay na TGTBT para wala nang maging argumento. Inunahan ko na po, no? Ang TGTBT ay too good to be true. Masyado po malaki yung ginagawang profit ni Algo X. Na kung makikita to ng iba sa labas na hindi makapakinggan yung aking explanation, automatic, sasabihin nila agad, masyado malaki, too good to be true. Mag-ingat kayo sa ganyan, no? Which is, I agree. Kasi sobrang laki naman talaga. Imagine this. Ang dineposit ko lang nung August, 1,000. Kumita ng 1,151. Diba? But anyway, too good to be true. Ang description niya is high risk, high reward. Bago pa lang po yung Algo X. So, for beginner traders, for conservative traders, I don't recommend this. Para to sa mga traders na yung mataas pa yung risk appetite, diba? At willing to take risk. Okay? So, eto guys, no? Ito maganda. Kasi August pa to eh. Before yun, no? Sige, ito muna. Papakita ko muna to, no? Hindi pa tapos ang September, di ba? Hindi pa tapos ang September. So, kaya ang nilagay ko ito, September 1 to September 26. Meron pang natitirang 2 araw na trading day sa Monday and Tuesday. But so far, ito yung resulta ng ating mga algo for the month of September. Okay? Pero meron pa tayong 2 days for the September, ha? Now, last month, Ang kinita ng Algo 6 is 171. Today, so far, for the month of September, meron na siyang 177. Yan, medyo hindi nagkakalayo, di ba? Pero matadagdagan pa yan sa Monday and Tuesday. Algo 7 naman, Algo 7 natin last month 849. This month, currently meron siyang 1,914. Okay, malaki po. Malaki. Again guys, performance or gain is not guaranteed. The results will always depend on the market movement. Nagkataon na magandang galaw ng gold this month para kay Algo 7, kaya siya nakapaldo ng ganyang kalaki. Okay? Grabe, no? Yan, makita na yung date, no? Okay, from September 1 yan hanggang sa present, hanggang sa yesterday. Okay? Laki, no? Iba-iba, minsan mas mababa dyan, minsan sa gano'n. Okay, not bad. Okay? Algo 8 naman, 714 siya last month. This month is 825 na siya. Meron pa tayong 2 days, hindi pa tapos ang buwan ng September. Algo X natin, last month, meron siyang 1,159. This month so far, meron siyang 999. Yan, makita mo, no? Iba-iba. Di ba? Okay, so, this month, ang pumaldo ng gusto, yung ating Algo 7. Okay? Kung ikaw ang tatanungin, nasa na yun? Kung ikaw ang tatanungin, ay, tapos na to. Kung ikaw tatanungin, anong mas prefer mo? Based sa mga pinaliwanag ko kanina. Algo 6, 7, 8, or X? Tingin nyo. You decide depending sa ano mo, sa risk appetite mo. Gusto mo ba, ikaw ay conservative lang? Ikaw ba yung tipo ng trader na aggressive? Diba? Also, you consider the capital, the risk. Diba? Huwag lang kayo titingin dun sa profit. Okay? Yan. How about the others, guys? Nandiyan pa ba kayo? How about the others? Okay. So, paano ba natin magagamit ang LTE Gold Algo? Step 1, you just need to create a trading account. So, go to this website, guys, later, bit.ly, xmpartner100. At mapupunta ka sa sign up page. Okay? Ngayon, ilalagay mo lang dito yung country of residence mo, and then yung email address mo, gawa ka ng password, and then ilalagay mo yung partner code ng AFT FXTS. Okay, which is CC2F3. Tama di ba, Miss MJ? AFX, AFT, ano ba? At saka
FXDS.
FXTS. Okay, FXTS.
AFT.
Save this code, guys. Better screenshot this page. Screenshot ito. Ito yung ilalagay yung partner code dito. Para malaman na connected kayo kay Miss MJ. Alright? And also, pag ginamit yung code na to, magkakaroon kayo ng 100% deposit bonus. Pwede yan pandagdag sa inyong kapital. Okay? And then next is, of course, kailangan nyo na nung LTE Gold Algo. So here's the package ng LTE Gold Algo natin. Yung software alone is nagkakahalaga siya ng 60,000 pesos. Yan yung ginastos ko para makapagpagawa ng sarili kong trading bot. Okay? And also, magkakaroon ka rin ng admin na syempre, pinapasahod natin yan. Okay? Magkakaroon tayo ng exclusive Telegram group for Algo users. And iba at ilang mga tutorials. And also, pag may mga exclusive na mga Zoom calls ako with the community, magkakaroon ka ng access doon. Okay? So, pero hindi mo naman kailangan na, hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng ganyang amount. Example lang itong mga amount na yan. Because, ang totoong presyo talaga niyan is, hindi na akong kapaligoy-ligoy pa, diretso na, no? 30,000 pesos. Okay? 30,000 para magamit mo yung LTE Gold Algo. And also, makikita mo ito sa baba, monthly VPS is not included, which is 1,500 pesos. Para gumana si LTE Gold Algo sa ating trading account, kailangan meron tayong server na naka-turn on or PC na naka-turn on 24 hours every day. Walang patayan, bawal mag-brown out. That's why we are renting VPS, Virtual Private Server. That is 1,500 pesos. Yan yung parang overhead expenses mo lang, no? But, of course, kukunin mo na lang yan sa profit mo sa Algo. Diba? Pero hindi yan kasali dito sa 30,000 pesos. Ito ay monthly siya babayaran. Yan yung ano mo. Parang Meralco bill mo. Kumbaga, parang gano'n. Okay? Now, with our partnership with AFT and FXTS, kumbaga gusto na lang gamitin din yung LTE Gold Algo at i-recommend sa kanilang community, I decided to do this one. Okay, meron akong munting regalo. Okay na ba guys na mag-over-deliver ako? Okay? What if, habang kumikita ka sa LTE Gold Algo, inaaral mo na rin on your own kung paano ang manual trading. But this time, hindi na sa YouTube. This time, ako na yung pinapanood mo. What if magkaroon ka ng access dito sa Lifestyle Traders Academy? Kung saan ang content niyan is from zero knowledge hanggang sa maging profitable trader ka, that's the goal. I'm not talking about the advance. I don't care kung anong advance ang hinahanap mo. But ako, ang purpose ko is from being a total newbie hanggang sa matulungan kita maging profitable sa trading. Whether advanced yan or basic. And also, tuturo ko sa dito yung personal money management strategy ko. And higit sa lahat, yung personal trading strategies ko. Makikita mo dyan yung LTA Day Trade Strategy, LTA Super Trend, LTA BS, at LTA Simplified Scalping Strategy. All the rules and all the indicators na ginawa ko for these strategies, magkakaroon ka ng access. And also, Telegram channel for the community. And higit sa lahat, magkakaroon ka ng access sa akin. Kasi ako yung pinapanood mo eh. Kung meron kang kailangan na clarification, meron kang gustong itanong, you have access to me. At yun yung bagay na hindi mo makukuha sa YouTube for free. Gets mo? Ba? So, yun yun. Magkano naman yung ating Lifestyle Trader Academy? Ito pala yung tsura niyan, no? Okay. Magkano? Magkakaroon ka ng access dito for only 15,000 pesos. But wait. Since under kayo ng community ni Miss MJ, I'm going to give it to you for free. Okay? So, LTA Godalgo plus the Lifestyle Trader Academy, which is for free, included na siya, for only 30,000 pesos. All you need to do now is, if decided ka, pupunta ka sa Facebook page ni Miss MJ at i-message mo siya ng Algo 30. By the way, this offer will only last for the next 48 hours. Because after that, hindi ko na mabibigay for free yung Academy. So, yung mga nasa webinar, maswerte kayo kasi kayo na yung mabibigyan ko nito. Okay? That's why you need to message her Facebook page with the keyword of Algo 30 so that our admin would know na kayo ay galing sa webinar na to. Kasi kahit na pumunta ka ng webinar pero hindi mo alam to, ibig sabihin hindi mo naabot yung part na to, hindi ko mabibigay sa'yo for free yung Academy. So, if you think na yung nakita mo tonight is worth investing, worth buying, worth considering, don't forget this code. Alright? Tingin mo. My last survey for you guys. So, any questions, you can also type below sa Q&A natin. And Miss MJ, any words na gusto mong i-share sa kanila?
Ayun, grabe namang knowledge yan and insights, inputs. Iba talaga kapag may ganitong klaseng partner tayo, no? I'm so grateful, Coach Nico. Maraming salamat. Katulad nila, ako din, gusto ko maging profitable trader, no? Dahil nagsimula akong maging involved sa forex trading as an investor without knowledge on trading itself, no? At dahil nga, that's why I wanted to have this webinar para ako rin mismo ay matuto, no? Mas kasi mag-continued learning. So, ayun, sa lahat po ng attendees po natin ngayon at sa mapag-sharean po natin ito, no? All you have to do again is approach me, no? Or our page, no? Forex Trading Solutions or Abundance FX or personally on my Facebook page, MJ Gaan, para mas mabilis ninyong ma-access, no? Actually, I'll show you pala, meron kaming Facebook, itong aming balikan ko lang. So, join our community. With this partnership with Lifestyle Traders Academy, imagine mo, ang ganda ng pasabog ni Coach Nico, imagine mo, free na lang ang course, di ba? And that's given to us for the next 48 hours. No? So, imagine mo, ang laki ng naging capital niya to be able to gain all these experiences, these insights, this tool. No? And with this partnership for Trading Solutions Abundance and with LTA, makukuha na natin siya at a very low cost, no? For only 30,000 pesos. Algo 30, no? Para makuha po natin yan. Yan po yung ating booth. No? So, you can get in touch with us, as you can see here. Ayan po, no? Check out our Facebook page, Forex Trading Solutions PH, or email us, forextrading@gmail.com. Also, our joint venture, Abundance FX, no? On Facebook. At lahat itong offerings na to na-share namin sa inyo with our own experiences ni Coach Nico with the LTA Forex Trading course na libre na lang niya binibigay ngayon with our partnership. And of course, our LTA Gold Algo Bot who will trade for you 24/5 with the AI technology. And of course, yung kaninang na-i-discuss ko rin earlier about the top-up capital and account management. All of this you will see in our Facebook page. So again, check out our Facebook page. Ito po, Forex Trading Solutions PH to know more And to get in touch with us, ang kailangan nyo lang pong ilagay na code ay ALGO30 to get that free piece mo na 3 course from beginner to become a profitable trader. So thank you for joining us in this free webinar, everyone. So again, don't stop here, to maximize what you have learned, you have to connect with us, take action now, ika nga, sabi ni Coach Nico. So when and how, just message us, and when, now na dapat yan. So wag na po tayo mag-atubili pa. And now is the right time, per month. So we have to make our end of the year, prepared for a new year to start. So ngayon pa lang, let's kick it off, na magkaroon tayo ng more knowledge, more income opportunity para sa ating lahat. So ayun lamang, I think nasabi na lahat ni Coach Nico at itong partnership na to ay para po talaga sa inyo at para sa ating lahat. So we hope to see you around at maging part kayo ng aming community with our partnership. Again, ALGO30 to get this exclusive rates and freebie, Imagine mo, libre na lang ang Lifestyle Trader Academy course natin. So maraming salamat. Natutuwa, marami po ba kayo natutunan ngayong gabi? For our last question, mag-comment naman po kayo dyan. Magsagot naman ng yes, solid. Okay, maraming salamat Sir Troy. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-attend, sana ma-share ninyo ang ganitong opportunity sa iba. Check out our page para po makuha ninyo itong ating 48 hours exclusive offer. So, mula na po tayong katanungan. Or if you have questions, by the way, we're now open for Q&A, Kasama Sir Coach Nico. Kung may mga tanong pa po sa iba, kung meron pa po kayong tanong,